We'll continue our studies on nerve cells. Classes or types of neurons. Based on their roles, the neurons found in the human beings are broadly classified or they are divided into sensory interneurons and motor neurons. What are sensory neurons? Sensory neurons, these get the information like what is going inside the body and what is going on outside the body. When it gets the information, it transferred to the central nervous system, and that central nervous system possesses the information. For example, like when you pick up a hot water containing glass, what do? You just, it will be sensed into your fingertips, and this information is conveyed to the central nervous system, and suddenly you can feel that it is very hot. This is called as the sensory neurons. And motor neurons, these possess the information from the other neurons and they convey the commands to the muscles, organs, glands. For example, when you hold something very hot, you just take out your hands quickly, no? That has been carried out with the help of a motor neurons. And one more thing is a interneurons. Interneurons would signal to the motor neurons controlling in your finger muscles, while other would transmit the signal up the spinal cord to the neurons in the brain. They transmit the signal from the neurons to the brain, and where it can perceive that as a pain. Here you can see the structure of the neurons. Here this is a motor neuron, sensory neuron and interneuron. Anatomy or the structure of the neuron. They contain a cell body like other cells, which is called as a soma, and they contain a nucleus, and then they also contain axon. These axon, it is present throughout the cell, and these end with the axon terminal end, and these axon are covered by a myelin sheath, and then axon hillock. Here you can see the axon hillock and a dendrite where the signals are being transmitted. Here you can see a different parts of the neuron along with its function. Dendrites, they receive the signal from other cells, and nucleus, which is present at the center of the nerve cells, they control entire neuron. Cell body, it is bigger, and this keep the cell in functional form. Cell membrane protects the cell. Axon hillock, here you can see this is the axon hillock. This generates the impulse in the neuron. They generate the impulse in the neuron, and axon, these transfer the signal to other cells as well as the organs. These myelin sheath actually speed up the signal. Schwann cell produces the myelin sheath, and myelin sheath increases the speed of the signal. And axon terminal, these form the junction with the other cells. They form the junctions with the other cells. Here you can see the axons, and they form the junction with the other cells. You can see another picture where this is a dendrite. This is a 3D image, and this is the soma body and myelin sheath, and this is a axon. Straight one is a axon. What is the function of this neuron? They have three major function, like they receive the signal and information and transfer to other parts of the body where they are essential, and they integrate the incoming signals. Whether or not the information should be passed or not, it can be integrated by these nerve cells and communicate the signals to the target cell, and they have the capacity to communicate those signals they obtained to the target cells. Other neurons or muscles or glands are involved in this function, which is a communication signal to the target cells. Thank you.